morning, everyone. I hope everyone is having an amazing day and it's ready to learn and discover more of our #1 bestseller, Navîgo Homme. And we have a new baby in the collection. Hi, Mayam. How are you?
Hi, Moni. I'm doing so great. I'm so happy to be here to talk about our newest Navîgo to add on to our #1 collection.
I'm
Um,
happy about it.
yes, me too. It smells incredible. I'm glad you have it. Should we just jump in? I mean, we're already talking
Yeah,
about it. Let's just
let's
jump in.
let's jump in into the training. Go ahead and start sharing. Meanwhile, I want to share something with everyone. As you guys know, I have 4 kids. My oldest one is 13, and he's in that mood, right now, trying to get attention. So I gave him the discovery size from our Navîgo Profundo Homme. He tried it on, and he's like, "Mom, you need to tell JAFRA to make more fragrances like this one."
Oh, period.
I'm like,
Okay.
okay. He
Okay,
likes
so I have a new
it.
boss in the house, huh?
So there's a selling tip for consultants. Graduations are coming up, so get ready. And Mayam, the floor is all yours, girl.
I love that. That's hilarious. So I have a new boss in town, essentially. He just said, get to it. That's great. So I love that he loves that because I actually thought when I initially smelled this, I was like, oh, this is giving a little bit more mature. It has that original Navigo DNA with the freshness, with the ocean being inspired, but this does have a little bit of a deeper sense to it, hence the name Profundo, which means deep in Spanish. We'll get into a little bit more about this guy soon. So I'm loving that the younger generations are loving it too, because that means he wants to get grown up a little bit. He wants to be a little bit grown, which I love that. So let's talk a little bit about the brand of Navîgo. So as we already said, it is technically our global #1 because it's a #1 seller in Mexico, and it is our #1 best-selling fragrance brand here in the US as well. So we're talking very recognized, very well known, very iconic. So Navîgo is inspired by the sea, freedom, movement, and adventure. So each one has, again, that same DNA, but brings out a little bit of a different personality depending on either the time of day or the man or whatever it is, the activity. Each fragrance captures a moment on the water, fresh, bold, and unforgettable. So Navîgo is a collection of personalities. Each one is a different way to experience the sea. So don't just sell the scent, sell the feeling of the journey, because we have the freedom to navigate here with Navîgo. So each one has that same sort of being on the water, inspired by the sea, by the ocean, but brings out a little bit of a different personality depending on your mood, the time of day, the person, all the things. So we saw this incredible video already, but introducing Navîgo Profundo, a fragrance for the fearless man who answers to adventure, always ready to dive in and explore the mystery of the ocean's deep. And I'm going to restart this. I'm going to try and share with sound if I can. Let's see. If not, it's okay. I will just talk over it as the video is playing. But let's start it over. Where are we at with the video? Okay, so here we go. So a little bit of a difference here with Profundo versus original or moon, because those are probably the most similar. This is for the man who is ready to explore. So take essentially Navîgo Moon and Navîgo Ocean and combine them. So Navîgo Ocean's the active guy. He's the guy that's surfing. He's windsurfing. He's doing all the activities on the water. Where Navîgo Moon is the luxurious man in the evening time. And you combine them and you sort of get this Navîgo Profundo man. So he is an adventurous but deep sort of man. You can see here, my jaw dropped when I saw the collection video and I saw this man coming out of the water. I was like, whoa, okay, that's great. So great job to the innovation team for finding that incredible Profundo model. But this scent is, as we saw the notes, and I'm going to pass it to the next one so we can talk a little bit more about the olfactive. So it's got pepper at the beginning. So that's that first spicy sort of impression that you get on your first scent. Salty, like the midday breeze. So that's where that classic Navîgo DNA is in there. Because again, they're all inspired by the ocean. They're all inspired by that salty sea air. So that's going to be the first scent that you get. And then midway, it opens up to this really beautiful lavender, which gives it that clean, crisp freshness that I absolutely love. Lavender is also known for its calming properties. It relaxes a lot of people, so it immediately puts you in this sort of uh, relaxing, calming scent. And then the end, which to me is the most impressive, and it's the real differentiator of why Profundo stands out, in my opinion, to the rest of the collection. It has this shipwood ending. So the base note is shipwood, which leaves this really warm and lasting trail. as the enduring sea itself. So this to me really stands out and is pretty unique in the collection of Navîgo. Again, they all have that sort of crisp, fresh opening and middle, but this ends with that ship wood, which I think is what Moni's son was talking about. Y'all need to make a little bit more of this because it does make you stand out in the crowd. So if you were to spray, 4 or 5 different men with each Navîgo scent, I think the one that's going to make you really turn your head the most and is going to be like, oh, this one's really standing out is this guy, which I love, love, love. And like I said, I initially thought this would be a more mature audience that would gravitate to this because of that sort of really robust bass note. But it sounds like it's giving for everybody, which I love. So maybe the youth is looking to grow up a little bit. So another great gift, not only for Father's Day, which is what we're celebrating this month, but also graduations. So dads and grads, a great, great gift for them. So crafted by master perfumer Hernan Figol. So he chose his palette of ingredients from his own trips and experiences. So Verdivere, a unique and irreplaceable wood. So that's where that woodsy smell comes in. Iris, an extremely sophisticated and elegant floral, and the ozonic notes, which refer to sand, beach, and sea, but also with Brazil and its unique special freshness, all notes recognized in Hernan's creation. So the fragrance was created by a world-class perfumer, which is a great opening to this. As you guys all know, we only work with the best of the best here in our fragrance houses. So world-class Brazil experiences, not to be mistaken for our all around the world collection, which is really truly inspired by different cities. But what's inside of this bottle here, all of the notes, all of the olfactives, all of the ingredients, really inspired by this perfumer's experiences out in the world. So, and I think you can, like I said, really smell it because it is very, very unique. I will go to the end saying that about Profundo. It is probably my favorite now in the collection. I'm sure a lot of you have heard that I personally wear Navigos at night. I love spritzing them on me right before bed. Original was the go-to, and then Luxus Homme came out, and Luxus has been my thing, and now it is Profundo. So I stole this. Usually I give all of my male fragrances to my boyfriend, but I was like, not this one, honey. Sorry, this one's mine. So we share this one because I do really, really love how unique this smells. And that lavender, again, the notes I know are giving a little bit more masculine, but that lavender really, really evens it out. So if there are any of you out there that do prefer more heavier scents or genderless scents, I think this would be a great fragrance even for any women in your life that are looking for a little less quote unquote feminine scent. But I'm obsessed with this. I love it. I think it smells so delicious. So here's the final collection. One collection every occasion. Don't stop at one. Navîgo is a wardrobe of fragrances from everyday fresh confidence to bold, unforgettable nights. Navîgo has a fragrance for every moment of your journey. So don't think of this even just as individual people. Again, we all have different layers to us, different activities, different things that we like. So you can have the collection and it can be for different parts of the day, different parts of your life. You can start with Navîgo Original in the daytime and then go to Profundo at night, depending on what your vibe is that day. So don't stop at thinking that a collection is for individual people. These can absolutely be a one-person, one-stop shop for one man or one woman or whatever it is. So that is our Navîgo Lexus. Discover the depth, explore without limits, share the experience with our Navîgo, not only Profundo, but the Navîgo collection. So I think that's all we have for our presentation. Moni, do we have any questions, any sort of comments? Are we loving Navîgo? How are we doing in the comments?
Thank you, Maya, for sharing all the good details that help our consultants. We do have a couple of our consultants here with us. We have Angie Vega, Gina O'Neill. We also have Edwina Jackson. They're just saying hello. But if you guys have any questions, if you guys already, if you're a VIP and you had the opportunity to pre-order in previous month and now you have it out there for your clients, let us know what are they saying about the scent. Something that I learned, Mayam, a fact from working with the team is that sometimes we're so used to wearing one of our favorite fragrance, but with time, we lose the scent.
Yep.
Maybe other people can still have that scent, but since we're using it every day, we lose the scent. So it's a good opportunity for our consultants to follow up with those clients that have been a Navîgo Homme client forever. It's the chance to have them try other fragrances in the collection. So
absolutely.
We don't have more questions or comments, but anything else that you want to share before we go?
Leave anyone that's watching the replay, if you're here live, I'd love to know which one is your favorite Navîgo or which is your best-selling Navîgo, and why. That would be a great conversation starter for our next one. But like I said, I think this one's very fastly becoming my favorite. I'm a Navîgo Luxus lover, to be very honest. That's like my go-to. And as soon as that came out, I was like in love. But like I said, this one's coming for its spot. So I'm so interested to see what everyone else is out there selling, what they love personally, what your partners love. Let us know. But other than that, thank you guys for joining us. Wish you very much success with not only Navîgo Profunda, but with all the rest of the collection. And we will talk very, very soon.